If you need bright lighting for a garage, warehouse, workshop, or even a gym, then this Lumary UFO High Bay light could be what you're looking for. This is a 150 watt smart light with adjustable color temperatures that will give you a warm or cool light in your space. And it's IP65 rated, so it can be used outdoors in the rain or damp areas. As I just mentioned, this is a smart light, so it can be controlled through the Lumary app from a smartphone. But let's get this out of the box so I can show it to you in more detail. The light itself is about 12 inches in diameter. The matte black frame is made of metal and has heat sinks all around the back. There are different LEDs for warm and cool light, and because it's IP65 rated, they're encased in a water-resistant cover. The Lumary High Bay light comes with a wireless remote for convenience. And even though instructions are included, I'll run through the complete setup so you can follow along with me. First thing to grab is the J-hook. It simply twists onto the top of the light. When it's all the way in, tighten the set screw to prevent the hook from coming out. This light is powered from a standard AC plug with a 6.5 foot cord, so there's no wiring involved. But to enable control through the included remote or smartphone, this network module needs to be installed. To do that, take out the center plug on the front of the light. On the module, pull off the small protective cover. Then simply twist it in place, but be sure not to over-tighten to avoid breaking. To connect this with a smartphone, I'll first plug in the light and wait for the LEDs to pulse. And just so you know, if the network module isn't attached to the light, you won't see the LEDs breathing. Now download the Lumary app and set up an account. With the LEDs still pulsing, tap the red plus button and then tap on Add Device. Here I'll tap on the Add button. They've made connecting the light to iPhone or Android super easy. I was amazed at how quickly I was able to connect this. But once it's connected, tap the Done button. The light will now be at a constant brightness. And now I can make adjustments from the app like brightness and color temperature settings. If you have more than one light, you can also group them together and control them all at once. However, I found that the wireless remote didn't work directly out of the box, so here's how to connect it. Just unplug the light and then plug it back in. And within a few seconds, press and hold the pair button on the remote until the light flashes. And now the remote has been properly linked. Installation of the Lumary UFO High Bay light is perfect for garages, warehouses, and other large spaces. Just make sure there's something secure to attach it to. I only have one of these at the moment, but I'll give you a demonstration of how effective this little light can be. Okay, so here's my garage lit with only the bulbs for my garage door opener. And this is the light from my LED ceiling fixture. Now I'll turn on the high bay light and you can see the difference it makes in my garage. The UFO light is many times more powerful than the original lighting in my garage. And here it is from another angle. I have a set aperture on my camera so it looks dark initially, but it's to prevent my shot from being blown out when I turn on the high bay light. If I had one more light above my car, this double car garage would have all the lighting I'd need to work in here. This smart light can also be controlled with devices like Alexa and Google Assistant. To start the setup, tap the pencil icon in the high bay light settings. Then tap on Alexa or other voice assistant. Now just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the link. Mine is already done, but I'll also need this Lumary mini hub to enable voice control. Start by powering up the hub and wait until the red LED starts blinking. Now go back to the Lumary app and tap the plus button at the top of the main window, and then tap on Add Device. In the next step, it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi network, so I'm going to do that quickly off screen. When Wi-Fi is connected, tap the Done button. Now, make sure the Bluetooth devices list is active, then tap on Add Devices. Here, tap where it says Associate Bluetooth Devices. In the device list, select the Lumary High Bay light and then tap on Confirm. On this menu, tap where it says immediately to join. And in a few seconds, the process is complete. Now I can use voice commands to control the light. Alexa, turn high bay light off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn high bay light on.
Okay.
And before finishing the video, here are a few additional tips. I got this light socket adapter so I can use the Lumary High Bay light without the network module, hub, or smartphone control. With this, I can simply plug the light into an existing light socket and use my wall switch to turn the light on or off. And something else that's helpful is to get some large eye hooks to hang the light. I'll list everything I mentioned in the description so it's easy for you to find. The Lumary UFO High Bay light is really versatile and bright. If you put 2 or more of these together, you can really light up a large space effectively. The IP65 rating means you can place this outside without worry. And while it is a smart light, anyone can control it with an included remote. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.